to the channel. Why don't we say we make some origami today? Today we're going to start out with something simple, like this cube. It's very easy to make, and I'll show you all the steps. And then we will go from there. So, you will need today, very simple, clear elmer's glue, or the stick will work too. And then you need some eyes. So any type of those eyes you can get. Very cheap on Amazon. Okay. And then you'll just need a square sheet of paper. If you don't have a square, you can take a regular sized piece of paper and cut out a perfect square. Alright, so if you have your square, let's go ahead and get started. And that is how we'll end up like this guy right here. To start, you'll take this piece of paper and you'll fold it all the way across this way until you have a perfect triangle. Once you do, you'll go ahead with each finger and fold the creases. Once the creases are good, you can go ahead and open this line. Now you should have a line straight down the middle. Now this time, we're going to take this piece of paper and we're going to fold it all the way down up the line the opposite way. And we're going to fold the crease, come over to this side and fold the crease, and there we are. So now, what you should see is an X going a line across here and a line across here. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to almost do like a pyramid, right? We're going to fold in, as you see, the triangle here, and on this other side, and we're going to pull it tight till we get to the creases, and you're going to have something like this. Now we're going to take this, and we're going to turn it around, and you'll see your crease right there. Now let's go ahead and lay it flat, trying to line up these ends, to line up the ends, and you're going to pull the creases and push them down like that. Alright, now that you have this all folded, is what you'll see, like this. You have two creases in the middle and then on the outside. So there we go. Now let's take this triangle side face down, and we'll go ahead and turn this side up and fold it up this way. See that? We're taking this corner and we're folding it up to the peak. So that right there is folded up. So now we'll take the other one and we'll fold that up too. So there we go. We are creating a diamond shape this way. Or if you fold it this way, turn it this way, you will notice it's a square. So let's go ahead and take this side that's done and turn it over. Now at the bottom of this, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. We're going to fold it up. We had creases like that. And now we're going to fold this one up as well. Alright, so as you can see, this is all like a diamond or a square. And you can see the top side that we folded in. And if you were to turn it like this, you'll notice we still have that shape. Okay, now with the sides that face down like this, we're going to push it down. And we're going to turn it to the side. This is the side that comes up. So now we're going to take one end of that, put it towards the middle, just like that. Then we're going to turn the other side around, and we're going to take it and fold it into the middle, just like that. Remember not to go over the line, but just to this middle line right here. Now once those creases are together, you can take a pencil like this, or use your fingers, and you're going to open up that slot that we folded. And you're going to take this top corner, peek, and you're just going to turn it in there. And then you're going to fold it tight with the crease once it's in there. So now it's in there. Don't worry, we're going to do this 3 more times, so you'll be able to know. Once again, take this crease, use your finger or you can use a pencil, we're going to open it up. We're going to insert that corner peak, and we're just going to push it down, creating that crease to hold it in place. So there you go, the side is complete. We got those in. Now let's flip it over. Same thing, this is where it opens up, so we're going to fold into the line right there, like so. And we're going to turn it over and do the same thing, fold into the line. Alright, now let's go ahead and use our pencil or your finger and open up that slot, and you're going to take the peak corner and you're going to fold it in there. And you're going to push the crease. Same thing, take your pencil, open up the slot, and then we're just going to fold that corner right in there. Alright, so now you'll see the creases are formed and everything is being held in place. So now we can take this side with our fingers and this side, and now we should have this shape. Now you'll notice at the top, if you're pointing it correctly, there'll be a hole right there. So what you can do is take your little pencil and just open up the hole a little bit, and then to look like this guy, we need to put air in it. So you're going to hold this just like that, fingers here, and you're going to blow on the top of this really hard, really quick, and it's going to inflate into a cube. Now give me 1 moment and I'll show you. Alright, so we just blew in it. We just made our crease and filled up the cube with air. And there you have it. There's your cube. Now, if you want it to look like that guy, all you have to do with your pen or pencil, you can just go ahead and draw that smiley face. Just like that. And then, we can go ahead and grab some eyes, as you see right here, to look like this guy. We can go ahead and take 2 eyes, close the box. Using the glue, you'll put a dot on top, or you can use a glue stick too, if that's what you have. So we'll go ahead and push a little bit of glue, and then we'll place the eye right there, and we'll grab the other one, same thing, grab the glue, maybe a little bit more, just like so, close that. Alright, we'll push the glue just like that, push the eye in, and there you have it guys, we have completed making a cute little guy. There you go. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel to see more origami.